The apartment my daughter lives in has a slow drain. I am going to try to help her get that drain flowing again. We're going to use two tools to try to make this flow better. One is a plunger, and the other is a snake. When the upstairs tenants drain theirs, it comes up here before it goes all the way down. So something in the combined drain system is slowing it down. But the plumbing is really honked up in this one. Particularly for this sink here, you can see there's the drain. Here's where it comes out underneath, and it just goes and does a hard turn there, and a hard turn there, and then a hard turn there to go down here. We did a time test on the drain upstairs, having them fill up the sink, unplug at the same time we did, and then watch what happened. The tool I'm going to use for this one is called a snake. The only access, or the best access I've got, is the washing machine drain, which is right behind the kitchen sinks right in here. So I'm going to take this drain out. I'm just going to set it there. That's the drain for the washing machine. Then we take this snake, use the knob to twist it, and it's basically like a flexible drill bit that can go down through the pipe. And just put it down this pipe, and then keep feeding it until I meet some resistance. Like right there, I'll set the set screw, and trying to put pressure on it, but spinning it while I do it. And then we'll just add some more length and see how far down we can get it to go. And hopefully in the process clear a path for the water to flow down. And given that I haven't met a lot of resistance, I'm a little concerned that whatever is backing up the drain is in a different path. Well, at this point I'm about 15 feet into the drain. We'll pull it back up out, feed it into here, and it'll coil up inside. And I don't see anything on here, so I'm not sure we even went through anything. Got all the way recessed in, tighten this up. We'll go do a flow test and see if we notice any difference. Yeah, this one's not draining yet. Upstairs now, this sink has a guard in it, so I can't fit my regular auger in there. We're trying to snake this drain to see if the clog or what's backing up might be somewhere between where these two join. I don't know that this snake is long enough to get down to where they unite, but we did it for a while, and I think we definitely hit some crud on this one. So we'll try it again after I get this back into the snake gun. Yeah, this one is not draining yet. We are attempting a plunging maneuver now. When you plunge, you're actually creating a suction both directions, which sometimes that's what it needs to break a clog loose. I don't know if this is going to do it or not, but this is about everything I can try. And then let's do a time test again and see if it's any different. We have snaked and we have plunged, and we're going to see if it makes any difference. Well, we took a minute off of the time it took to drain when we filled it to a mark and tested with both sinks going. So I think we made some progress. But hopefully you know now one thing you can try if you've got a slow sink, and also how to use a snake drain or an auger. Remember, this channel is geared for young men growing up without a dad. If that's you, I hope you'll subscribe. If you're just here to see how to unclog a drain, then I'm glad you're here too. Always remember, you do have a dad that loves you. And I'll see you on the next video.